Hey everyone, this is Dushyant from Let's Talk Arsenal, where I'll be covering things related to Arsenal news, pre-match, post-match analysis, reaction, and everything, and every general news related to football. This is my first video as I have just heard about this crazy stupid idea about European Super League. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about what exactly is this European Super League, why is it happening, what all clubs are involved, and everything related to this stupid, crazy idea. So let's get started with today's video. So let's talk about this European Super League. What exactly is this? This is a Super League that consists of 12 founding members that are super clubs because they are rich and they have money, they have wealth, they have big owners that have invested their own personal money into these clubs. So they are termed as super clubs. So this is a European Super League that consists of 12 teams as of right now. That includes three major clubs from the Spanish football, three main clubs from the Italian Super League or Serie A, that's what we call it, and the six big top six clubs from the Premier League. They are as follows: Real Madrid, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, Juventus, AC Milan, Inter Milan, Manchester United, Manchester City, Chelsea, Liverpool, Tottenham, and obviously my club that I support, unfortunately, Arsenal. Yes, that's right. Arsenal is also involved in this stupid European Super League, and every fan you can see on Twitter, be it Facebook, be it Snapchat, be it any social media, everyone is going crazy because of this idea, and rightfully so, because all of this sounds stupid and absolutely ridiculous. And why is this happening? Because all these super clubs want to become super rich. That's it. That's the main point of this agenda. All these clubs are mega into debt right now because of Corona and because of the fact that they have to invest big money into this to stay relevant and fight for these competitions like their respective leagues and to run their club, to pay the transfer fees, to pay agent fees, and so many other costs are involved. So they are into debt because of this, and that's why this league has been created, because it's been estimated that all the founding members, all the 12 teams right now, will be given approximately around 100 to 300 million. Yes, that's right. 100 to 300 million dollars are guaranteed if they join this league. So why wouldn't they participate in this league? It's like, yeah, let's go for it. Out of the $6 billion that have been financed by the JP Morgan, that are giving the money to the league to start off this league, out of those $6 billion or so, $3.7 billion are being given to the club for just creating their infrastructure for the clubs. So like that's huge amount of money, $3.7 billion. Can you imagine that's amount of sum? Not Premier League, not the other leagues, not the UEFA, not the FIFA could even provide that money. So like from the business point of view, it's like no brainer. But and the clubs will be playing this Super League in the midweek so that the clubs can then go back to play in their respective national leagues. So in short, they're like, yeah, these leagues will cave because we are the big clubs, and we they will cave in with their responsibilities, because these leagues are not dependent upon these big clubs. Because let's imagine a scenario where the top big six of the Premier League are not in the Premier League anymore. So how will the Premier League then remain, on the top of the footballing scenario where everyone watches and tunes in to support their team and watch their matches? Why would anyone in their right sense of mind watch a match between, let's say, Everton versus Leeds United, or in comparison, let's say, Manchester City versus Juventus? Let's take for example. So obviously, the amount of people tuning in to watch a Manchester City versus Juventus It will be more than Everton versus Leeds United. It's simple as that from the investor points of view. But from the fans, this idea sucks. Yes. And that includes me as well. And as of Arsenal, I think this idea should be, yani, we should be in this competition. Why? Because we already are behind all of these massive clubs, and we have to be in this clubs because we are getting $350 million just to participate in this, and then further revenues of media and sponsorship that are like more than 200 million or 250 million dollars from that, and then 300 million just to participate, and further 3.7 or billion or so for infrastructure. So why won't we participate in this competition? Because we are guaranteed for the money. So from the business and investor point of view, it's like, yeah, sure, show me the money. So that's what's happening with this European Super League. And that's why I hate it, because it destroys the football's integrity, the core reason why we are into sports. Because as fans, we want to see like regular teams or even teams that are supposed to beat a big club like Real Madrid or Barcelona and upset them. Like, for example, it can happen like, let's say, for example, Norwich beats Manchester United in a Premier League match. That won't make any sense because Manchester United is now in a European Super League competition where they are destined to get 300 million just to participate in the league. So, from the fans' point of view, this is a dark day of football, and I agree with all of you guys. But from the investor point of view, it makes sense because how do billionaires make their money? By earning more money. And this league provides money, so much money, so much money. So they are like, yeah, why not? So obviously they are going to, start this league. At the end of the day, I want to know what you guys think about regarding this Super League. Right now 12 clubs are involved. 3 clubs more are set to be announced later. They can be from the German league or the French league, or maybe the Italy or maybe the Premier League even. So who knows who are these remaining 3 clubs? 3 more clubs will be joining. So these will be the 15 founding members that will be participating in this European Super League. That will make the 15 founding members that will be getting these 300 million for sure. And the 5 clubs, remaining 5 clubs, because the Super League has said in a statement that this league will be played in a 20 this league will have 20 teams in this format, where each of these teams will be divided in a group of 2, like 10, and for out of those the top 3 from each group will qualify, and the remaining like fourth and fifth will play two-legged matches like first leg, second leg, and whoever qualifies from those gets into these places, and then final happens, and like that this all will be going on. This is the format. They are saying right now this competition will be starting from August only. So right now UEFA, FIFA and the rest of the leagues are, yeah, we are banning you from all of our competition or all of our nation leagues, and even FIFA are saying that we'll ban these players from the participating in the World Cup or the Euros even if they participate in this European Super League. So this will, I'm like, will the players be playing in it? What are the managers going to do? Like Guardiola, Klopp, Arteta, Ole, and Tuchel, Zidane, Kovan. So what are they going to say? Are they going to quit? Are they going to support it? What are they going to do? It will be interesting to see what are their comments regarding this European Super League. Are they in the support of this? Are they against it? Are they willing to quit their job? So many questions. Do let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think regarding this stupid idea. Are you against it? Are you in for it? are the super clubs to be blamed for this European Super League, or are the UEFA and the FIFA to be blamed? Because they are the ones that did nothing for so many years, and now we are here because a change is coming sooner or later. So do let me know who is to blame for all of this. This is Dushyant from Let's Talk Arsenal, where I'll be covering more everything related to Arsenal. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like today's video if you guys liked. If you didn't like, do let me know why didn't you like it, and follow me on my social media accounts. The links will be in the description box below for Twitter, for Instagram, for Facebook even. So do follow me. That's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, do make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Namaste.